Hey there, BlowHard fans. Rebecca Hadlock here. And today's Blow Your Mind update is on our Optimax design. Optimax is short for maximum optimization, which is BlowHard's design philosophy to maximize the performance of a fan while minimizing its size. Remember how I said in previous videos that BlowHard designs almost every part of the fan, no off-the-shelf parts? Well, this means we have control to leverage physics, mathematics, and fan law into our designs to increase the performance of the fan within the footprint of the fan. So no wasted space. And how did we do that? Well, we maximized the working area. So first, let's look at the shroud. The size of it is as big as the entire area of the base. But you also might notice that the blade diameter is also nearly equivalent to the entire footprint of the fan, which means our airstream exiting the shroud is as large as the fan is. We've maximized every fan's full space potential. And I encourage you to do your research and see how that's a big difference from other fans on the market today. The BlowHard Opti-max design excels in space efficiency, which maximizes power and performance for each fan size. And speaking of performance relative to fan size, that's really important to research too. So listen up. Other companies may offer different fan sizes, but they keep the same battery. They don't scale up their power, and that's inefficient. You wouldn't want the same power and just lug around a bigger fan. And other companies do the opposite. They increase the battery, but the shroud size stays the same. So they don't scale up their airstream, and that's inefficient and ineffective. Only BlowHard delivers both. And when we scale up our fans, we scale everything. So even our smallest fan starts with a big battery. And because of our Optimax design, it has that big shroud and blade for its size. But then when we go to increase the size of the fan, allowing for bigger airstream and air volume, we also increase the size of the battery for more power, which increases the fan's performance. Then you add our high flow jet technology, go back and watch that video, which increases that volume of air by nearly 125%, and you've got one powerful fan that's super compact. And that's the magic of Optimax. That's the magic of a BlowHard fan. The BlowHard Opti-max design. Physical limits exist, therefore performance limits must be broken.